Good evening, friends. Another change by notification number 94/2020, Central Taxes dated 22nd December 2020, and it is being made under Rule 21A, which is pertaining to suspension of registration. Certain rules got amended, proviso got inserted, and the summary of this change pertaining to suspension of registration is first. No opportunity of being heard to be given for suspension of registration. Henceforth, wherever proper officer believe that your GST number liable for cancellation under section 29 of CGST Act, read with Rule 21 of CGST Rule 2017. So no opportunity of being heard to be given for suspension of registration. Second change. Wherever department come across by way of comparison, there is differences and anomaly. When you are declaring the value in your outward supply in GSTR 1 versus GSTR 3B. So maybe you have declared 1 lakh rupees outward supply in GSTR 3B as against 2 lakh rupees declared in GSTR 1. So anomaly. Outward supply is shown as a 2 lakh in GSTR 1 as against 1 lakh shown in GSTR 3B. Second case could be your 2A, which is being uploaded by way of invoice and debit note furnished by the supplier or through invoicing furnishing facility. Let's say it is 1 lakh rupees, but you're claiming credit of 2 lakh rupees in GSTR 3B, which is in contravention of the provision of Act and rules made thereunder. In such cases, department can serve a notice in form GST Reg 31 and ask for the explanation why your registration should not be suspended and cancelled for such anomaly, differences which is in contravention of provision of GST Act and rules made thereunder. Strict provision. You have to ensure your outward supply declared in GSTR 1 must match it with the outward supply in GSTR 3B. Similarly, whatever coming in GSTR 2A for availing ITC must match it in GSTR 3B. Otherwise, notice can be served in GST Reg 31 asking for the explanation and even why your GST number should not be suspended for such contravention of the provision of Act and rules made thereunder. Third, during the suspension of registration, no refund under section 54 of CGST Act, even though you are exporting, but if it is suspended, your GST is being suspended, then no refund would be granted under section 54 of CGST Act. And last, this suspension can be revoked during the pendency of cancellation of your registration number. That is being allowed and proper officer. If satisfied, they can revoke your suspension during pendency of cancellation of your registration. These are amended and new provision which got inserted in Rule 21A pertaining to suspension of registration by notification number 94/2020, effective from 22nd December 2020. Stay tuned, lot many more changes which is being announced. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.